Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and I hope you stay. Today, I'm bringing to you some delicious cupcakes. Without wasting time, let's just get started. I'll get a bowl and come in with about 200 grams of butter. I'll come in with some vanilla essence, some pineapple flavor, a pinch of salt to taste, about 3 tablespoonfuls of sugar. I'll come in with my hand mixer and whip everything up. Next, I'll come in with my eggs. I'll be using 4 eggs in total, and I'll add it one at a time. It's time to sift in my flour here. I'll be using about 250 grams of all-purpose flour. I'm in with about 10 grams of baking soda. After which I'll come in with about 10 grams of baking powder. Now I'll get my cupcake pan and line it in with the cupcake papers. And I'll just transfer the cake mixture into the papers. Into the oven. The oven has been preheated to 150 degrees Celsius. I'll bake this for about 30 minutes. So it's been after about 30 minutes and our cupcakes are ready. Look at how soft it is. Like it's cushion soft. You definitely need to give this a try. Do let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye.